In this quick and easy tutorial, I will be showing you how to combine PDF files using free and ad-free software. We are going from all these loose pages to a combined PDF file like this. For this tutorial, I have set up some loose pages and a small combined PDF file. The software we are going to use is actually a scan software called Not Another PDF Scanner, also known as NAPS. The benefit of NAPS is that it is completely free, easy to use, and really has a lot of options compared to free converter sites or other software. To download the software, we are going to NAPS2.com. You can click download on the top of the screen to download the software. As I already told you, NAPS is completely free and ad-free, so please take this message into consideration before downloading it. Okay, so now we're downloading software and installing it, which should take less than a minute. Over here you can choose your language. Now we're going to hit accept and choose our destination folder and run the install. After we are done with the install, we're going to open up NAPS. Okay, so this is NAPS. I will now show you how you can import your files into it. To open up your files in NAPS, you can click on import and choose your destination folder. Or you can simply drag the PDF files into the software. An additional download is needed to import the PDF files. Click on yes and the install will start. Now you can just simply start drag and dropping all the pages you need for your file. To show you what will happen when you import a file which already contains multiple PDF pages, we're going to drop a 3-page PDF file into it. As you can see, it's imported in 3 separate pages. Okay, now let's go over some functions in NAPS which are really easy to use. To change the order of the pages, you can just simply drag and drop them. You can also rotate the pages, or even make adjustments in the file like cropping, adjusting the colors and adjusting the contrast. To save the files, you can select Save PDF. You have 2 different options: save selected pages or save all pages. When we select all the pages imported into NAPS will be combined like this. So as you can see, all the pages we imported into NAPS are saved into one PDF document. The other option is to save the selected pages, which will combine only the selected pages in NAPS. To do so, you can hold down Ctrl and click on the pages you would like to save. The other option is to hold the left mouse key and drag over the pages. After that, we're going to click on Save PDF and click on Selected. And as you can see, only the first 5 selected pages are combined into one PDF. And that is the fast and easy way to combine PDF using NAPS. Thank you all for watching this video, and please leave a like and subscribe if it helped you.